Okay, so a bit of Le Mans Ultimate. Bahrain, short track. I've qualified 4th. So not gone too badly. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I haven't done much Le Mans Ultimate recently. So we'll see how we get on. Don't know if I'm too close. Hold my speed. You ready to turn off the pit lane speed limiter as we go?
Go.
Off. Okay, I nailed it.
On your right side.
Well, that's going to help. I'm going for safety rating, would you believe?
Still there.
So I'm not happy of being 3 wide, but anyway.
Clear left. All right.
I mean, I was trying to stop.
Line. He's still there. They're all around.
That's been
Okay.
a scratch, mate. Just ignore it.
On your right side. Still there.
It's all very tight round it.
Hold your line.
So we're still 4th. That's not too bad. A little bit of a tap. I don't know how that's going to affect my safety rating, but we'll see. See if we can keep with them. I was doing okay. I've sort of learnt this track a little bit. Not as good as these really fast guys, but doing okay, I think. If I can keep their slipstream, that would help me. So yeah, like I said, I've not done much Le Mans Ultimate. I'm trying to get up to the next safety class to sort of open up more races, but it takes a while, I'll tell you. I think ACC was quicker, but I can't, you know, it's a long time now, so I can't really remember. So it'll be interesting to see what other people think. Somebody's got a drive through back there.
The gap to P3 ahead
We're
is
still with the leaders, more or less, I think. Let's see if we can keep with them.
all right, David. The next car is smooth.
Very sharp turn, that one. And this one, easy to get wrong. You've got to get on the power early to get out. They're getting away a little bit, aren't they? They're definitely a bit quicker than me, I think. Let's see what we can do. Need to be in the 23s if we can. Take the right amount of curb. It's braking and turning. It's not always easy. Still getting a bit of stuttering on Le Mans Ultimate. I think my computer is... It's due for a change. I've spec'd up a new one, but it's about £2,000 and I can't afford it, so I'm gonna have to wait, I think, and save up. Okay, I have to ease off there. It's going too quick. Where are we? Are we in the 23s?
The leader has just done it on 23.41.
Not quite. 24 flat, more or less. Okay, let's push a bit harder then.
Dennis is now in the lead.
Going quicker than we were. They're side by side, which will help if they start battling a little bit. It might bring them back to us. Still side by side. Definitely brought us all back a little bit, hasn't it?
Your right sides are cold.
Oh, track limits there. Over the curb.
We've been warned about track limits.
Oh dear. They're still side by side ahead. Having a right old battle, aren't they? We're going quicker into the 23s, so that won't count.
Okay, David.
But the guys behind are going quicker as well.
Car on your right. clear right.
Yeah, I didn't think he was going to get stopped then.
He's still there, clear on the left.
It's all kicking off in front and behind. There's no way he was going to get stopped.
The car in front is Dennis.
It's cost us a bit of time, and nearly a second.
We've got cold tyres, we need to get some heat into them.
Come on, let's get back with them. Alright, nearly went off then. It'd be really nice to get a bit closer, wouldn't it? Make up a bit of time if we can.
The gap to E5 behind is now 0.5.
He's quick in that Ferrari, isn't he? Closed up under braking anyway. So we've got a back marker.
Car on your left side, clear left.
Well, that was helpful,
Yellow flag.
wasn't it? That was really helpful.
We think Daniel has spun off some minor aero damage.
Minor aero damage. Well, it felt like a big hit, but we're still going.
Green flag.
Okay, and this Ferrari's going to be right with me, isn't he? So it'd be interesting to see if he goes up the inside. How late's he going to brake?
All right. Hold your line. Still there. Still side by side, clear right.
Come on, David, don't let him get away. Half distance. This is okay. Keep those exit speeds up.
Nearly hit him then. See if we can keep with him. It's gone in a bit deep there. I wonder if the Ferrari's the car to have around here.
Front is Francisco. Incident in Sector 2. Sector 2 is yellow.
I'm getting a bit of stuttering on the screen. I don't know if you can see that, but it's quite off-putting.
Car left, clear on your left.
So, he's quicker than me, isn't he? Bloody hell, this McLaren behind. Much quicker.
The guy.
Car on your right.
Let's see if we can follow him. We're dropping places here, aren't we?
Still there. He's still there. Clear on your right.
Okay, David, halfway home. Fuel looks good.
On your right.
I was looking at the fuel then.
Hold your line. Clear
Okay,
right.
well, let's see if we can follow this guy. See if he can drag us along a bit. How does he get away so much there then? What am I doing wrong, I wonder? I seem to be quite slow, don't I, today? Or is it the aero? I don't know.
Mayor.
He's really pulled away, hasn't he? I mean, slow through that.
Keep it nice and tidy.
I didn't think I cut the track. I thought he cut the track. Anyway.
Okay, David, 5 minutes to go, 5 minutes left. Keep it together. Come on, the race isn't over yet. P6, you've got
Far on your right. Still there. Hold your line. Clear right.
Come on.
Yeah, he wasn't stopping, was he?
Side. Clear on your right.
He wasn't stopping, that guy. If I was in the wrong gear through here, maybe. Who knows? Track limits, was it?
Flag. Okay, David.
Okay.
Gone out of track limits. Keep it between the lines.
Okay, it's going to affect my safety rating.
Has stacked it. We've just had a warning for cutting the track. Slow in, fast out. Keep the inside line covered.
I'm trying that.
Sector 3 is now clear.
Yeah, we definitely don't have the pace I had in qualifying anyway.
Your tyres are cold, watch out.
Another off track. Bloody hell. Yeah, I'm struggling here. It's definitely a struggle. He's going to be with me, isn't he?
Fastest lap for Move, 123.20.
All right.
Here he comes. I'm sort of a sitting duck here.
There. Still side by side. Clear on your right.
2 minutes to go, 2 minutes. Come on, David, keep pushing, we might get him back.
Yeah, I'm really struggling to keep up here. Maybe I outperformed in qualifying.
The guy in front is Maciek.
Slightly better exit that time. We're sitting duck for this one as well, I think.
One more to go. P7.
Blimey, 1 lap to go. Can I keep?
Times are increasing. Come on, get back on
Can I
it.
keep this space? I wonder.
On your right. Hold your line. Clear right.
Yellow flag.
Oh, somebody's gone off. Oh, we're 6th again.
We can see Mayer.
Okay, well, that's good. Well, that's helping. And we've got a bit of a gap to the guy behind, so I think we're okay. Guy behind's catching again, but I think we've got enough.
Yellow flag. Watch out.
Another yellow flag. What's going on?
It looks like Mayer has binned it. Sector 3 is clear. Green flag.
Well, he came in flying in there, didn't he? Blimey. Anyway, we made it. Yay.
Acknowledged. Pit stop request.
Okay.
E6. That's the end of the race.
Right. Well, let's have a look at the results, shall we? So here we go then. I was 6th, lost 2 positions, so yeah, not so good. Nearly at the next safety rank. Yeah, getting ever closer. Anyway, let's see if we can have a look at any results. So here we go then. So yeah, started 4th, ended up 6th. My best lap was not great. I was doing sort of mid-23s earlier on. Just didn't have the pace. It wasn't helped by hitting that car. Best lap of the race was, I think, a 23.1, something like that, 23.1. So, yeah, need to get my safety rating up and then it'll open up more opportunities. But anyway, just a quick race. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.